This will take you to the login page. Here you will need to sign in using your child's login information. This has been sent home. However, if you need another copy, please contact your child's teacher. On clicking next, you'll be taken to the password page. Here you'll need to enter your child's password. This was also sent home with their login information. When the password has been entered, click Sign In. This will then redirect you to the Office 365 homepage. Here you will need to click on Outlook, which will take you to your child's email account. When opening the email, you are looking for an email from Microsoft Teams. This may be in the focused inbox, or it may be in the other inbox. When you've located the email, click on Open Microsoft Teams. This will open a new tab. You'll be given the options of downloading the app for your computer or using the web-based app. It is entirely your own choice, as both options allow you to access the full range of features. For this demonstration, I will be using the web-based app. When you click Use the web-based app, you will need to log in using the same details as you used to log into your child's email, the full email address and the full password. When you have accessed Microsoft Teams, clicking on the Teams tab, which is displayed on the left-hand side of your screen, will display any Teams your child is part of. You also have access to the calendar, where you'll find scheduled live lessons should you need them, and the Assignments tab, where you'll find your child's homework. When you access a team, you will open the class chat. Here you will be able to write messages and attach images of home learning should you wish to. You can also access the files and assignments that are linked to that class team. I hope you found this tutorial useful and are now able to access the Teams for your child.